Well, we've had more visitors and people stopping and looking at our driveway, wanting to know about the composition and the different colors and the price per square foot. We couldn't be more than happy with the way it turned out. And, it's just something that's phenomenal compared to pavers and stone and all the other different, composites that people have had put down. We recommend it to anyone. We're so joyful with it. It adds to the value of the house and the